Tired of staring at that dark, empty wall but dreading the thought of hiring an electrician to hardwire a light? We're breaking down the top rechargeable wall sconces that instantly transform your space without a single wire in sight. Stick around as we count down from number 7 to number 1, revealing which ones to avoid and which model easily claimed the title of the ultimate cordless lighting upgrade for your home. 7. AMETHEUS WL02. When I first unboxed the AMETHEUS, I was immediately drawn to its main selling point, the 360-degree rotation feature. The idea is fantastic on paper. You mount the base to the wall, and the magnetic ball joint allows you to swivel the light head in literally any direction. I initially set this up in my hallway, thinking it would be great to angle the light down for walking at night, or up to bounce softly off the ceiling for ambient mood lighting. The flexibility to change the light's direction without unscrewing anything is undeniably a cool concept that makes you feel like you are getting a highly customizable piece of home decor. The installation process was exactly what you would expect from a modern cordless sconce. It utilizes a strong adhesive backing on the mounting plate, meaning I didn't even need to break out my power drill. Within 2 minutes, I had it stuck securely to the drywall. The convenience of just peeling, sticking, and having a functioning light fixture is a massive relief for renters or anyone who gets anxious about putting permanent holes in their walls. The light itself offers dimmable settings, which is practically a requirement for any good sconce these days. Being able to tap the light and adjust the brightness from a soft, warm glow to a more piercing, bright beam makes it versatile for different times of the day. However, during my daily use testing, I quickly noticed that the build quality feels noticeably hollow and somewhat cheap in the hand, lacking the premium weight you might hope for when upgrading your home's aesthetic. This brings me to the biggest frustration I encountered during my testing phase. The battery life is wildly inconsistent and frankly disappointing. Number 6. Koopala Wood 1 LED Sconces. The aesthetic appeal of this light is what originally caught my eye. It features a minimalist wooden design that promises to bring a touch of natural warmth and Scandinavian-inspired style to a bedroom or a cozy reading nook. I mounted this one right beside my bed, hoping it would serve as the perfect, aesthetically pleasing reading lamp that wouldn't clash with my existing bedroom furniture. Like the previous model, this sconce utilizes a magnetic ball joint mechanism, allowing you to rotate the light 360 degrees. This is incredibly handy when you are reading in bed and need to angle the beam directly onto your book, and then tilt it away toward the wall when you just want a soft nightlight before going to sleep. It also offers multiple color temperature settings, allowing you to switch between a cool white, a natural daylight, and a warm yellow glow depending on your preference. However, actually trying to utilize these different settings became an exercise in extreme patience. The touch controls on the Koopala Wood 1 are incredibly temperamental and overly sensitive. Half the time I tried to simply turn the light off before going to sleep, the sensor would register my tap as a request to cycle through the color temperatures instead. I would end up tapping the wooden base 4 or 5 times, blinding myself with the cool white setting, just trying to get the unit to power down. Beyond the frustrating controls, the physical appearance of the sconce left me a bit underwhelmed in person. The wood finish looks significantly less premium and somewhat artificial up close compared to the highly stylized product photos online. Five, FULNIX WL24. This sconce immediately steps up the game where the others faltered by packing a hefty 5,000 mAh rechargeable battery inside its sleek casing. When I first took it out of the box, the difference in weight and build quality was instantly noticeable. It feels substantial, solid, and like a serious lighting fixture rather than a disposable plastic gadget. The core advantage of that massive battery became completely evident during my endurance testing. I mounted the FULNIX in my main hallway, an area where the light would naturally see a lot of foot traffic and usage throughout the evening. Unlike the previous models that left me scrambling for a charging cable after a single night, This powerhouse easily lasted through several consecutive evenings of sustained use on a single charge. The lighting performance is equally impressive. The dimming transition is butter smooth, allowing you to dial in the absolute perfect amount of light without any flickering or stepping. I found the light dispersion to be incredibly even, casting a beautiful, wide wash of illumination up and down the wall that completely eradicated the dark shadows in my hallway. It makes the space look professionally designed and highly inviting. Operating the FULNIX WL24 is a delightfully straightforward experience. It doesn't rely on overly complicated or finicky touch sensors. Instead, it offers responsive, reliable controls that do exactly what you want them to do the first time you press them. This reliability transforms the light from a novel gadget into a dependable piece of home utility that you don't have to second guess. Ultimately, the wireless design combined with its stellar, honest-to-goodness battery life makes it a highly dependable choice for high-traffic areas in your home. It bridges the gap between aesthetic appeal and rugged daily functionality. 4. OCATO Battery Operated Wall Sconce. This particular model caught my attention primarily with its elegant, understated design that seems custom-tailored to blend seamlessly into modern, contemporary decor. I decided to test this unit in my living room, flanking my television setup, to see if it could provide that coveted, theater-like bias lighting without distracting from the screen itself. The installation for the OCATO was an absolute breeze. The mounting bracket is cleverly designed to be forgiving if you don't get it perfectly straight on the first try, and it took me less than 5 minutes to get 2 of these perfectly leveled and secured to the wall. The housing snaps onto the bracket with a satisfying, secure click that gives you immediate confidence it isn't going to fall down anytime soon. Where this sconce truly shines, pun intended, is in the quality of the light it produces. It provides a stunning, warm wash of light that completely alters the atmosphere of a room. During my testing, I found that the color rendering was excellent. It made the paint on my walls look rich and natural, rather than washing them out with a harsh, clinical glare that you often get from cheaper LED diodes. What pushed the OCATO into the number 4 spot, however, are its fantastic convenience features. It comes with a dedicated remote control that worked flawlessly from all the way across my living room. Being able to sink into my couch, start a movie, and dim the wall sconces to 10% brightness without ever having to stand up is a luxury that I quickly realized I couldn't live without. It offers a fantastic balance of aesthetic appeal, functional reliability, and couch potato convenience. It doesn't have the absolute largest battery on this list, but its efficient power draw means it still holds a charge remarkably well. 3. SyncGlow 110/7-38 Wall Sconce. If you are the type of person who absolutely despises having to remember to charge your devices, this is the exact sconce you need to be paying attention to. SyncGlow somehow managed to cram a gargantuan 1,000 mAh battery into this unit, and the results are nothing short of spectacular. During my extreme stress tests, I actually got tired of waiting for this thing to die. I turned it on at maximum brightness and just left it running, and it outlasted every single other light in my testing lab by a massive margin. The endurance is simply unmatched in this specific category of cordless home lighting. You can legitimately mount this, use it every single night, and likely not have to take it down to charge for over a month. Despite the housing accommodating such a massive battery cell, it doesn't compromise an ounce on its brightness or optical clarity. Often, high battery lights throttle their output to save juice, but the SyncGlow pushes a brilliant, powerful beam that can easily serve as a primary task light in a dark office or a dimly lit garage space. The build and design definitely lean toward a slightly more industrial, utilitarian look to support the heavy-duty internals, but it still maintains a sleek, modern profile that won't look out of place in a modern home. The materials feel incredibly robust. This is a sconce that feels like it could survive a few drops and keep on working flawlessly. It earns the bronze medal on our list because it is the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it rechargeable fixture. It prioritizes maximum uptime and raw illumination power over delicate aesthetics, making it the perfect choice for practical homeowners who want a serious lighting solution without the serious hassle of hardwiring. 2. NIORSUN SW013. Our runner-up at number 2 is the NIORSUN SW013. This sconce takes the concept of cordless lighting and elevates its versatility to an entirely new, brilliant level. When I set this up in my guest bedroom, I immediately recognized that this wasn't just a wall light. It was a multifunctional lighting tool designed with incredible thoughtfulness. The standout feature is its ingenious magnetic detachment design. While others rotate, the NIORSUN allows you to effortlessly pull the entire sleek light baton completely off the wall mount. During my testing, we actually had a brief power flicker, and I was able to instantly grab the sconce off the wall and use it as a high-powered, portable flashlight to navigate to the breaker box. It's an emergency light and a piece of elegant decor rolled into one. The lighting performance is exceptionally refined. The touch-sensitive dimming slider on the body of the light is incredibly precise, allowing you to dial in the exact ambiance you want with a simple swipe of your finger. It doesn't step awkwardly between brightness levels. It fades smoothly, giving it the premium feel of a high-end, professionally installed smart home lighting system. I also thoroughly appreciated the charging experience. When the battery does eventually run low, you simply pull the baton off the wall and plug it directly into a USB-C cable. It charges rapidly, and the built-in subtle indicator lights take all the guesswork out of knowing exactly when it's fully juiced up and ready to be snapped back onto its magnetic perch. The NIORSUN SW013 earns its incredibly high ranking through sheer innovation. The combination of premium, flicker-free light quality, a highly modern and unobtrusive aesthetic, and that genius portable functionality makes it nearly perfect. It adapts to your needs effortlessly, making it one of the smartest lighting investments you can make for your living space. KARTOOSH ZM230B. Finally, taking the highly coveted number 1 spot on our list is the KARTOOSH ZM230B. After weeks of rigorously testing every light on this list, living with them, charging them, and using them daily, this sconce stood head and shoulders above the competition in almost every single measurable metric. It is the gold standard for what a rechargeable wall light should be. The premium build quality is evident from the exact second you take it out of the packaging. The materials feel incredibly luxurious, dense, and perfectly machined. It possesses a sophisticated weight and a flawless exterior finish that genuinely rivals high-end hardwired fixtures that cost hundreds of dollars more. Once it is mounted on the wall, no one will ever guess that it is running on a battery. When it comes to illumination, the KARTOOSH is in a league of its own. It casts a rich, perfectly diffused and flawless beam of light with zero harsh shadows or visual artifacts. I mounted this in my main dining area, and it completely elevated the entire look of the room, providing a gallery-quality wash of light that made the space feel warmer, larger, and significantly more expensive. The user experience is equally flawless. The controls are incredibly intuitive and instantly responsive. The battery life is stellar thanks to highly optimized LED drivers, and the installation bracket was by far the most secure and well-engineered of any model I tested. It locks into place with absolute certainty, ensuring the light remains perfectly level and stable at all times. The KARTOOSH ZM230B perfectly marries stunning, high-end design with absolutely flawless, reliable functionality. It proves beyond a shadow of a doubt that you do not need to sacrifice style, light quality, or performance when you decide to cut the cord. If you want the absolute best rechargeable wall sconce on the market today, this is the one that deserves a spot on your wall.